Hello, I'm Kim Sauer for What's New in Electronics in Delhi at Electronica. Productronica. I'm here with Electrolube, Padmanabhar and Alistair. Padmanabhar, if I can start with you first. Now, thermal management is a big topic in the industry and specific to very specific industries that need it, LED, automotive, etc. Can you give us an overview of the market requirement for thermal management solutions?
Yeah, as you rightly mentioned, it's been required in most of the industries now, probably because of the shrunk in the electronic sizes, the device sizes, and the real estate allowed for the PCB or circuit has compressed a lot. So probably because of that, we have a lot more thermal challenges than in the past. So we see this as more of an opportunity rather than a problem, because we have solutions to offer to customers. We work very closely with the customers that the day they start conceptualizing the product. We give them intricacies of the issues what they can face down the line. So, and we develop a lot of these series of epoxy resins and thermal interface materials targeting these applications. More or less, customers have similar challenges, but application might vary. Be it automotive lighting, be it automotive charge controllers, DRL light controllers, LED drivers. So they all have one or other thermal issues predominantly as their major issue. So that's where we played a role, developed a series of epoxy resins which are of 1 watt per meter Kelvin, which is unheard in the industry. So at much cost effective manner and very low viscosity range, these are all something that very crucial to manufacturing process. We keep in mind design aspect as well as the process and manufacturability down the line. That's where we excel. We have launched close to 12 new resins based on customer requirements and 2 thermal greases locally developed. Probably it will come down to the launching probably in another week's time. So we are quite aggressive about those products down the line. Yeah.
Okay. So Alistair, let's talk about the specific products and their composition and how you go about developing them for the applications that are needed, not just here in India, but obviously globally.
I mean, globally, all of the various components of the Electrolube group, we have a common goal in developing resins which are fit for the customer's purpose. So it is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It is, we will take a resin and we will adjust it and develop it so that it fits the customer's requirements, as Padmanabhar said, in terms of viscosity, in terms of the thermal conductivity, even if something as simple as changing the color of the resin to meet that particular requirement. But behind those apparently simple little changes, there is a myriad of testing that takes place to ensure that the resin will comply with not just local requirements but also the extended international requirements, and to provide the lifetime support that's needed in terms of stability, in terms of longevity, and to ensure that we also minimize our potential impact upon the environment. So as part of this program, certainly here in India, Padmanabhar says we are launching a number of different resins this year, all of which have been developed locally, but using the support and the infrastructure and testing within the group as a whole. So we can develop a resin here in India or in the UK or in China, and yet know that we can send samples of that self-same resin to all of our sister laboratories to be able to do the full range of testing and to be able to bring all the results back and to be able to create a comprehensive data sheet and test report for the customer. That gives us not only extreme confidence in our products, but also gives confidence in our customers to know that they have this immense amount of backup and support behind them. So this is why we are now supporting the likes of some small local companies all the way up to big multinationals who are operating here in India and worldwide.
Absolutely. So very much a seamless supply chain, global supply chain that is under full control of Electrolube. Electrolube worldwide.
Yeah, and also we not only look at a global supply chain, but also wherever possible to use local materials, local raw materials, in order to give us the confidence and also the security of that supply. So wherever possible, we try to minimize any potential impacts upon the customer in terms of us supplying product to them.
Okay. Final words about the market and the future of the market. Where do you see the market develop?
Yeah, this is a very rightly put question, because for every movement there should be a commercial value add. We see that when we are developing products mainly for customer requirements, we have seen the revenues grow almost 40% year on year. We can easily correlate to this new product development, the way we are offering to customer. Customers are happy because they have a solution at their doorstep, and we work very closely with the customer. As our motto says, we are solutions guys. We work with customer, ensure them even at the production time. We help them in setting up the process, how to use these products in a very efficiently manner. So that's our value add.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much for your time, Padmanabha, Alistair. Great success with the show. Thank you.